taking light cuts to try and get it to run round. A bit of mango. Still a bit of
It's my job, isn't it?
Pardon?
It's my job.
No, yours is a bigger piece. I didn't bring it with me today. I'll do the rim first. It's not quite bloody true.
Oh, you've got a long way to go yet.
Yeah. I'm going a bit steady because I've got a bloody mounted this the wrong bloody way.
Yep.
Oh, that's what I'm going to ask you. That bloody pin, that base, you said 100 mil long. I've nearly got it turned down. But how deep do you want that pin 50 mil into that base? That pin's got to go to a depth of 50 mil.
Oh, round about that. It's only just the... Yeah, you go up in there. That's to locate that on it.
Yeah, well, I can drill that at home on my bloody lathe. I'll borrow their bloody forcing a bit overnight.
Hey, listen. Yeah, righto.
Yeah.
We're missing a forest a bit too.
Yeah, that's a 3/4 one. I had it in my fucking pocket.
Oh.
I bought it back. I just tried to throw off, and I just realised I mounted that the bloody wrong way with that cut.
Oh,
I'm only making a light bloody cut across.
Yeah.
Just get that around a bit. You can tell she's still out around because he's making a tapping noise, rattling noise. So I have this handle down low to me. That's why I like having a long handle.
Yeah.
Have it down low to my body.
Yeah.
Just on its side and come across like a shear cut. You don't have you can have it like that if you wanted to, but I do like laying on its side. A bit more perpendicular. I'll go a little bit heavier with my cut, but see how those shavings are coming off?
Yeah.
Nice little whisper shavings.